Yeah, hi. The project title name is LoRa-based disaster system using Raspberry Pi Pico. One is transmitter unit, another one is receiver unit. One transmitter unit consists of three sensors. So to detect the disaster, vibration sensor connected to the ADC1 27 pin, piezoelectric sensor connected to the ADC 26, ADC0, ADC1, ADC2. Soil moisture sensor means water level detection purpose we are using ADC2 28 pin. Arduino Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 having only 3 ADCs. Those are connected to 26, 27, 28. And a 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. LoRa module connected with SX1278 via SPI protocol, serial peripheral interface communication. SS chip select connected to the 7th pin, reset connected to the 20th pin, DIO digital input pin connected to the 21, 3.3 volts power supply, MOSI master out slave in connected to the 19th pin, master in slave out connected to the 16th pin, clock connected to the 18th pin. 5 volts power supply. So this is total transmitter module with the sensors, and the receiver module connected to the same LoRa module, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 development board, and alarm connected to the 14th. If vibration detected, alarm on. Piezoelectric sensor detected and alarm on. Soil water detected, alarm on. Same 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 GPIO pin numbers. All are connected to the general purpose input output pin numbers. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using both side adapters connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 development board we are using. Okay, and here 5 volts power supply and 3.3 volts power supply for the LoRa module, LoRa SX1278 via SPI protocol transmitter module. So we are using 3 ADCs. One is vibration sensor connected to the ADC1, piezoelectric sensor connected to the ADC0, water level detection means soil moisture sensor connected to the ADC2, and 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 GPIO pin numbers, and the receiver module connected to the 5 volts power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 5 volts power supply board, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 development board, and SX1278 receiver module, and 16 cross 2 LCD display and alarm. Okay, first transmitter power on. Okay, so LoRa based disaster system using sensors with Raspberry Pi Pico. So LoRa transmitter is ready. So V for vibration, P for piezoelectric, S for soil moisture, and receiver also. So LoRa based disaster using Raspberry Pi Pico. LoRa sensors RX waiting, sensors waiting. LoRa receiver module is ready. V for vibration, P for piezoelectric, S for water detection, soil water detection. Now water detection purpose. Okay, okay, 250. Okay, so 219, 209, 209, 209. Okay, okay, removing, and I am going for the vibration. Three one six vibration, 316 alarm. Okay, piezoelectric 26. Fifty, 40 above, 30 above, alarm on. Okay, vibration and piezoelectric and water level detection. 200 above, water level detection. Okay, transmitter model.